You may not have seen this before. Leroy couldn't do this job, so we had to hire a firm with a heavy-duty truck for this job. HDTs are so cool. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We have kept our houseboat at Aqualand Marina in Flowery Branch, Georgia, on Lake Lanier for 14 years. Lake Lanier are about 50 miles northeast of Atlanta. It's the world's largest inland marina. We had to have the boat pulled for repair. It was just right around the corner, and it happens to be where Dixie and Leroy are being stored right now. So we'll be able to boondock on Dixie while the boat is being repaired, which will probably take several days. Check out the video linked above to see what it's like living on a houseboat. It's an older video, but it's a goodie, and you can also see our fur babies that have passed. There's Dave being drug in by Towboat US. It's amazing how these little boats can push a houseboat where it needs to go. Thanks, Captain Mike. Because we're going to dock it till we get a trailer here. Another Volvo. 2009 like ours. Got a little breeze coming in here, so see how it goes. That's why it's being pulled. There's our Volvo, Leroy, and Dixie. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.